Okay, I'm making this video. I'm going to show you how to remove and install a timing chain tensioner on an XR650L. This is the tensioner, and first thing you got to do is remove this bolt here. And the next step is removing this pin right here. I turn it clockwise and pull. There it is. Put that somewhere clean. And to remove the tensioner, I've done it with these pliers a couple times. You just kind of push up right there. Pull it pry up, boom, it's out. Okay, now to reinstall the chain tensioner. What we want to do is make sure that the cam chain is pulling straight down on this, and up on top, you know, your bearing is the sealed side out, and you see the two marks for the sprocket are aligned with the top of the engine there, and of course the engine would be at top dead center right now. And I'm going to take this cam tensioner and a zip tie and bring it over to the vise and zip that right in there. So what I do is I hold it exactly like this, and I put the spring against the vise. Just kind of work it in like that. Is that right? I'm going to do it this way. Spring against the vise and push that in like that. Now put the tie wrap in so the head is as low as possible. So the head's nice like that. Bring the tail up underneath the spring and just hold it in place while you compress it. Okay. And put the zip tie through. So yank, let it go. Now do it again, and just try not to get the tie wrap, but just the spring on the edge, like that. Now ideally you're going to have the head of the zip tie right over here. That'll make it the easiest to get out. Alright, and now for the installation. Back over here. For the installation, we're just going to need the pin. We got both chain guides in place. Just drop it in. Stick the pin in. Let's see. There we go. That one went in nice by hand. Now let's stick this locking screw in. Tighten it up by hand. We'll have to torque that afterwards. Now what you got to do is get this zip tie out of here. And what I find is quite helpful is this a wood chisel. And I'm just going to stick this in here. So I just hit this tie wrap. And give it a couple pops, and it'll be enough to break that tie wrap. And out this comes. Tensioner installed. The tensioner hole should be almost straight up with the engine. If it's pointed too far left, as mine was, the chain is completely worn out, as we call it, toast. Thank you for watching.